Hello students, today we'll be continuing with chapter number 6 from your geography book, Major Landforms of the Earth. In the previous video, we learned about landforms, how they are formed, the landform of mountains, and the types of mountains. In this video, we'll be learning about two other landforms which are plateaus and plains, along with the people and the landforms. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat-top tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. The height of plateaus often varies from a few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Plateaus, like mountains, may be old or young. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples of old plateaus. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with a height of about 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. Plateaus are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposits. As a result, many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateau areas. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal, and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. In the plateau areas, there may be several waterfalls as the water falls from a very great height. In India, the Hundru Falls in the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the rivers Subarnarekha and the Jog Falls in Karnataka are examples of such waterfalls. The lava plateaus are rich in black soil that are very fertile and good for cultivation. Many plateaus have scenic spots and a great tourist attraction. We have looked at the mountains, the plateaus, and the next landform that we are going to study about are the plains. The plains are large stretches of flat land which are not more than 200 meters above the mean sea level. Some of these plains are extremely level, while others may be slightly rolling and undulating. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The rivers flow down the slopes of the mountain and erode them. These eroded material consists of stones, sand, silt, which are deposited along their course in their valleys or on the river banks. It is from these deposits that the plains are formed. The plains are very fertile. These plains are very thickly populated regions of the world. Some of the largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra in India. The plains are the most useful areas for human habitation. There is a great concentration of people as more flat land is available for building houses as well as for cultivation. Because of the fertile soils available in these areas, the land is highly productive for cultivation. The Ganga Plains are the most densely populated regions of the country. Now that we have learnt about mountains, plateaus, and plains, the different kinds of landforms, it is time for us to know the relationship between the people and the landforms they live in. Humans have been living life on different kinds of landforms in different types of ways. The rugged terrain of the mountain areas makes life a bit difficult to live in these areas. The mountain areas are sparsely populated because of this very reason. Life is somewhat easier in the plateaus as compared to the mountains. As plateaus are rich in mineral deposits, many mining belts in the world are located in the plateau areas. Life is the easiest in the plain areas. The plains provide much better conditions as compared to both of these landforms. It is easier to grow crops, build a house, or even a road in the plain thin areas. In all types of terrains, the natural calamities always pose a threat. Earthquakes, storms, and floods can hit any area. Volcanic eruption can be potential risk in areas near volcanic activity. But people need to learn to live with natural disasters. Proper precautions can help save life and property as well. With this note, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.